TikTok trend, which is getting pretty popular. But before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and also activate the notifications by clicking the bell down below. And now let's get started. By the way, this video is mirrored, so it's a lot easier for you to follow. And also, I wanted to mention that there are a lot of versions of this dance, but this is the original and most popular version. So let's go. So this dance is pretty fast, but it's also very easy to learn and also very easy to dance. So let's go with the first move, which is wave, wave. So we're gonna do waves only with our hands. We don't have to do anything with our arms, just our hands. And when we do the wave, we're gonna switch. So if, for example, our right hand is in front, then it's gonna go back. So wave, wave, and then we're gonna go one. It's like this move, but at the beginning we're gonna go very, very slow, one, and then we're gonna speed up. So first slow, and then faster, 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 faster. Let's go. Wave, wave, slow, fast, fast. Then we're gonna point forward, just with both our index fingers, and then we're gonna go one. So it's like a small jump. Then we're gonna go on the other side, then on the other side, clap. So this dance, this move, specifically, people do it differently, so you can do it however you want. Then we're gonna clap, and then we're gonna go roll, clap, roll, clap. So I'm gonna explain that more detailedly to you, but first let's start from the beginning so that we remember everything. Let's go. Wave, wave, one, one, 2, point forward, 1, 2, 3, clap, roll. We're gonna roll to the left, do like a small wave, then we're gonna go down, clap, then roll to the right, clap in the center. So it's gonna look like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Practice it again, and then you'll get it. So, after this, we're gonna pretend, this move is called roll the dice. So it's like this, 1, 2, and we're gonna step forward with our right leg. 1, 2, like that. And we're gonna bend it, and then we're gonna return to our place, and we're gonna clap again. So let's do it from the beginning, and we'll move on because we don't have much left. Let's go. Wave, wave, 1, 1, 2, point forward, 1, 2, 3, clap, roll, clap, roll, clap, roll, clap. Okay, so don't worry, at the very end we're gonna practice that slower again so that we remember everything, but now let's move on. After this, we're gonna go right elbow to the side, left elbow to the side, then we're gonna pretend we're throwing something and do the whoa. So it's gonna look like this. Elbow, elbow, throw, whoa. Once again, elbow, elbow, throw, whoa. Then we're gonna cross our arms like this. Instead of clapping, cross. And then we're gonna go 1, 2, and do the mop, and then return. That's it, that's the whole dance. So now we're gonna do it twice. Once slow so that we remember everything, and then once fast so that we get everything together, and we're gonna be ready to do it at the TikTok speed. So first, slow. Let's go. 1, 2, 1. Fast, fast, forward. 1 and 2 and 3 and clap, roll, clap, roll, clap, roll the dice, clap, elbow, elbow, up, whoa, cross, 1, 2, mop, mop, return. Okay, and now the same thing, but a little bit faster. By the way, if you want to shop my clothes or my dance and fitness equipment, I'll leave the links down below. Let's go. Wave, wave, 1, fast, fast, forward, 1 and 2 and 3 and clap, roll, clap, roll, clap, roll the dice, clap, 1, 2, throw, whoa, cross, 1, 2, mop, mop. That's it. Guys, I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Make sure to give me a big thumbs up if you liked it, subscribe, comment what dances you want me to do next, and I hope to see you soon. Bye!